Hi children, welcome to Computer Education. I'm Reshma here. Today we are going to learn about secondary storage. Last class we have discussed about primary storage, RAM and ROM. So now we are going to learn secondary storage. The devices that holds data until it is deleted or overwritten. That is, secondary storage, it is actually permanent storage. Until we delete it or we rewrite it, the data will be there. Such devices are called secondary storage. The devices other than RAM and ROM, it comes under this category. Secondary storage examples: hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive. You can imagine now. So whenever we delete the data from these devices only, that data will be removed. Otherwise the data will be saved inside that devices. So these devices, hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive, are examples for secondary storage. Hard disk, it is kept inside the CPU box. And we will get external hard disk also. If we need more data to be stored, we will get an external hard disk with various capacity like 150 GB, 200 GB, 1000 GB, like that. Actually, the hard disk is a magnetic disk which holds the data, which can store data. Internal hard disk ഉണ്ട്, external hard disk ഉണ്ട്, 150 GB or 200 GB ഒക്കെ അതിൻ്റെ capacity ആയിട്ട് വരും. CD or DVD, it is familiar for you, I think. It is optical data storage. Optical എന്ന വേർഡിന് meaning light ആണ്, because when we insert the CD or DVD, the computer system flashes the light. Because of the light only, it read the data which is saved inside that. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഫിലിമോ ഒരു പിക്ചേഴ്സോ ഒക്കെയാണ് സി ഡിയിലുള്ളെങ്കിൽ അത് റീഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ലൈറ്റ് കൊണ്ടാണ്. ഫ്ലാഷ് ഡ്രൈവ്, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ റിമൂവബിൾ വൺ. നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള സമയത്ത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം, അല്ലാത്ത സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഡിറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്ത് മാറ്റി വയ്ക്കാം. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ സ്റ്റോറേജ് ഡിവൈസ് വിത്ത് USB interface. Have you noticed that metallic piece which is inserted to that computer CPU? ആ പിൻ പോയിന്റിനെയാണ് USB interface എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Pen drive is also available in various capacity like 4 GB, 8 GB, 256 GB, like that. And when we can rewrite, that is, we can remove the data and we can insert the new data. Like that, we can do it so many times. Pen drive is also known as USB drive and also known as flash drive. Next is cloud storage. This is the most popular storage method nowadays. Storing data on the internet. That is, we are not using any devices like a hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, like that. We are storing our photos, videos or any other file documents we are saving in the internet. So whenever we need, we can access it using internet. Only thing, we need a Gmail account or mail account. Okay. So the cloud storage service providers are Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, etc. ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ആ സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർസ്. That's all. Thank you.